Okay, so here is how you do the in the hands riffle shuffle. Now, this is a very popular, common shuffle. You see it probably all the time in card games. And yeah, it's just one of those fundamental moves that everyone should learn. And it's quite simple. And this is the first video I am posting here, so it will be interesting to see how this all works out. So what you're going to need to do is, I always recommend when learning a new move to use less cards, so maybe like half the deck. It's usually easier to practice when you're first starting out. So what you're first going to do is, now if you're left-handed, it's going to be different, just it's mirrored. What you're going to do though is you're going to hold the deck, okay, the thumb, the index fingers like curled in, and the rest of the fingers are here. What you're going to be doing is your thumb is going to be, riffling about half the cards or so, give or take. And the other hand's going to come in and grab the other cards like this, okay? And from here, you're going to basically flex upwards with the thumbs and just kind of one at a time, let the cards interlace into one another. From here, you're going to just simply push in the cards a little bit like that, so they're kind of like squared up a bit. And from here, you're just going to lift up like this. So you're just going to lift up the cards like this and kind of release that tension like so. And if you do it, of course, faster, it's going to look a little better than slow. So like this. Okay, and again, once you get better at the move, you can eventually use the whole deck. So again, you're going to hold the deck like so, and you're going to riffle about half the cards or so. Come over with the other hand like this, okay? You're going to then upwards the cards and just kind of release them one at a time like so, okay? Push the cards in so they're more squared up like this, and then just simply come over here like this and release the tension from the bottom like this, okay? And that's basically the shuffle. And of course, the move is very practical. I mean, it's seen in so many different card tricks or whatever. It's just a nice way to shuffle the cards, and definitely everyone should learn how to do it. So yeah, that's basically the tutorial for this. And one more time in case, again, practicing with less than half or so less cards is going to help you if you're a beginner in this or never learned this before. And you just kind of progress, once you get better, you use the full deck. So again, half, and then you come over like this, and you riffle one at a time, like so, push in, come over, okay, just like this, and then just releasing the tension from the bottom like that. All right, so that is the tutorial for the in the hands riffle shuffle, and thanks for watching.